Nicola and I have been friends since even before he opened MOMENTO'S, and we continue to be friends. And we were talking, and he thought it would be such a great idea if we would get together with Kevin Swank, our executive chef here, and put together a tasting and let our residents experience some of his wonderful treats.
Kev, explain to me how long you work here at Grace Park.
12 years.
12 years. What is that drives you to come every day and you do this wonderful food?
Well, we try to give them a quality meal.
Yes.
Staying within a budget, of course. But,
yes.
Yeah, they order what they want. It's just like going to a diner or restaurant. Everything's made to order.
Today we're gonna prepare this beautiful. You have prepared these nice heirloom tomatoes. I love heirloom tomatoes, by the way. It's amazing. It's amazing. Think of what?
Well, we're just going to take some of the microgreens.
Absolutely.
This happens to be a broccoli microgreen. We're going to snip a nice little clump off.
And make sure you know, yeah, beautiful. And then put them.
And just lay it on the plate.
Beautiful. That's all they needed.
And then we're going to grab a little heirloom tomato. Clump of cheese on the side. That's it for now. We're going to do all the plates, then we'll go back and garnish them.
Beautiful. So we put a little bit salt, pepper. What do you think? A little bit salt on top of that, and a little olive oil. That's mean. If you put this, young lady, you can put just a touch if you want. You don't have to go. That's it. That's it. Because it's a concentrated, and then when it's a concentrated, you need just a touch. And then this is a little bit big nozzle. Put your finger on it. That's it. Kev, over here in a facility that you cook every day, you have opportunity to change the menus upon the request, or you change the menu upon to your own desire?
Well, we don't change it just upon my desire.
Yes.
We listen to the feedback we get from our residents, and we try to keep the more popular items
Yes.
on the menu while we change
Yes.
up the things that are a little less popular.
Yes.
So
Yes. So you have that the interaction with the residency. You go around, you hear them, you know.
Oh yes, they are more than vocal on their food.
So do they come to the kitchen to you?
There are a few that come back to the kitchen.
Yes.
Most of them, though, will stop me in the hallway, or we have a town hall meeting once a month.
Yes.
That's always a very popular time.
You know every one of them by names?
Most of them.
Most of them,
Most of them, yes.
So what is the pleasure? What is the most common request they ask from a chef?
I won't say it's so much of a request. It's just things that they're liking. Some people, you know, want a Western omelet or Swiss cheese opposed to American.
Yeah.
Small little requests, basically.
Yes. So now we have here the bite of microgreens that have that bite on essence, on the concentrated flavor. We have the creamy of mozzarella, and we have the acidity of tomato. Beautiful. Just a touch, baby. Beautiful. Just a touch. That's
We can make little smiley faces.
Very good. Hello, American peoples. How are you? Well, tonight we're going to enjoy this little tasting that Grace Park put over here. Fabulous place to begin with. Amazing. I love it. With a wonderful chef, Kevin. That's the gentleman that we need to applaud. He is. It's an honor for me to work with him. This is what you know Grace Park does this beautiful stuff over here that you don't find it everywhere, but you find it at Grace's Park, definitely.
Our residents always enjoy anything that we do that is a little different, and bringing in an area chef and having him do something special and pair it with the wines, that's exactly what they were looking for. So it was a great experience for Kevin and our crew in the kitchen. They got an opportunity to learn some new skills, and we'll be using those skills moving forward. So I want to say thank you to Nicola and thank you to Kevin, and I really think everyone's enjoying it tonight.